Hi guys, it's Tiggs here. Check out HouseSigma. It's on fire.
HouseSigma empowers home buyers, sellers, and investors by providing them with free automated home valuation for real estate listings, as well as historical sold information. Their mission is to equip Canadians with an app that will make their buying, selling, or investing needs both possible and informative. Just type in the neighborhood you're going to be looking for. The properties in blue are the ones that have been sold. D stands for detached, C for condo, and S for semi-detached. The properties indicated in orange are still available on the market. For all you investors, the app even shows you a cash flow analysis. It allows you to understand what's coming in and what's going out.
Hi guys, I hope you found that app to be helpful and informative. So if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you in the comment section as well below.